Did you know the candy in your pantry has a name derived from spicy tamales? We are breaking down the unique history and science behind hot tamales. Introduced in 1950 by Bob Bourne, these chewy treats became an American staple. The name comes from the spicy heat of traditional tamales, promising a flavor that is intense and fierce. Manufactured by Bourne Company, Hot Tamales hold the title of the #1 cinnamon candy in the USA. Their distinct flavor profile delivers an immediate burst of heat. Despite their spicy reputation, these treats are surprisingly light. Each single piece contains only 7 calories and 0 grams of fat, making them a low-calorie option. We also love that they are kosher and gluten-free. This means you can enjoy your favorite chewy snack during game day or study breaks without dietary concerns. The fierce cinnamon variety ramps up the heat significantly. It offers a one-of-a-kind experience that keeps taste buds firing up with every single bite you take. From 1950 to today, hot tamales remain a unique icon of American confectionery, balancing spicy heat with a guilt-free nutritionally profile. So there you have it. A look at the history and nutrition of America's favorite cinnamon treat. Have you tried the fierce cinnamon flavor? Let me know in the comments.